Do you have a theory of why there seems to be such a prevalence of chronic pain?
So I view pain as a brain-body disease. It may start either from the brain or from periphery, but then they amplify each other. Okay, and I think you can also see it that way. So different chronic pain is a different brain-body diseases because you need the brain to perceive it and then trigger all the other responses. And then the tissue is also obviously not in some sort of homeostasis, right? But then this loop just continue to go on and on. I think that's why it's a chronic condition. Now, why is the question? Does it serve any purposes? In 2020, the brain is facing a completely different world, right? Everything happens so fast. And so the brain operates on a different speed or time scale. And I think it may now be with body in sync. See, you really have to be in sync, brain body in this most harmonic state to feel healthy. If your body is in abnormal state, you could not function very well with your brain. And then if your brain is in this abnormal state, you're not taking care of the body, and then something will manifest in the body. So I actually think right now there's more and more pain. It really is a manifestation that in today's society, more and more people are not in sync. It's the body then tell you something's wrong, pay attention. Can you find a new balance? I think pain in that sense in 2020, in the chronic stage, you can view that positively. It tells you, okay, you are not in this co-harmonic brain-body state, do something to it. If you view it positively, you try to find your way patiently, figure out what is the best way. I do not see pain as something so terrible. It is a signal tell you do something, but it's for the good of you, to help you reach a better state. Does that make sense? Because if you really think it is something terrible, bad, and hate it, and you just want to get rid of it, then you are inevitably going down the road of treating symptoms without really treating the underlying cause of it. Now, when you treat the symptom, okay, let's say you're in pain. Now you take something, some drug, magic drug happens. That's what opioid did, that you reach a no pain state. But that's sort of treating a symptom. So it make you feel you no longer have pain, right? And then if you set this as your reference point, your desired state, when the drug wears off, this then becomes more painful.